Ice, Earth's white cloak, plays a crucial role in maintaining our planet's balance. But what if, in a blink of an eye, all of Earth's ice disappeared? If all the ice on Earth melted overnight, the consequences would be both immediate and catastrophic, fundamentally altering the planet's landscapes, ecosystems, and human societies in profound and irreversible ways. This hypothetical scenario, while extreme, underscores the critical importance of ice to Earth's climate system, sea levels, and the overall health of the planet. The most direct impact of all ice melting would be a dramatic rise in global sea levels. Currently, Earth's ice reserves are held in glaciers, ice caps, and the polar ice sheets of Greenland and Antarctica, as well as in permafrost and seasonal snow cover. If melted, this water would return to the world's oceans, causing an estimated sea level rise of up to 70 meters, about 230 feet. Such a surge would inundate coastal cities and low-lying areas across the globe, displacing hundreds of millions of people, erasing landmarks, and reshaping continents. The rapid infusion of vast amounts of fresh water into the oceans would also have dire consequences for marine life and ecosystems. The sudden change in salinity could disrupt oceanic currents that regulate the global climate, including the Gulf Stream and the Antarctic Circumpolar Current. This disruption could lead to extreme weather patterns, altering precipitation and temperatures worldwide. On land, ecosystems would undergo dramatic changes. Habitats reliant on ice and snow, such as the polar and high mountain regions, affecting species like polar bears, penguins, and seals. The rapid climate shifts could lead to widespread species loss and reduced biodiversity, with cascading effects through food webs and ecosystems. The human toll would be unimaginable. Cities on coastlines worldwide, from New York to Shanghai, would be submerged, causing unprecedented economic damage and humanitarian crises. Essential infrastructure, including airports, hospitals, and water treatment facilities, would be rendered unusable, leading to secondary health crises and logistical nightmares. Agriculture would be severely impacted as well. Changes in precipitation patterns, along with the loss of glacial meltwater that many rivers, irrigation systems depend on, would compromise food production. In some areas, increased rainfall could lead to flooding, while others might experience severe droughts, both of which would threaten food security and water availability. In the long term, the planet's climate would enter uncharted territory. The loss of ice, which reflects sunlight and helps cool the Earth, would lead to further warming in a vicious feedback loop. Permafrost thaw would release massive amounts of methane, a potent greenhouse gas, exacerbating climate change. The altered landscapes would slowly stabilize into new forms, with coastlines redrawn and ecosystems evolved to adapt to the new climate reality. Human societies would face the challenge of rebuilding on an unimaginable scale, requiring global cooperation and innovative solutions to create sustainable ways of living. The displacement of populations would lead to social and political upheaval, as people flee submerged and uninhabitable areas. Migration on a scale never before seen would strain resources and infrastructure in unaffected regions, potentially leading to conflict over scarce resources such as freshwater and arable land.